When it comes to creating a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable home in the villages, many residents focus on landscaping, decor, or new furniture. But one of the most effective upgrades you can make is replacing your windows. Modern window replacement not only enhances your home's appearance but also provides real benefits in comfort and safety that are especially valuable in Florida's climate. Enhancing everyday comfort. Better temperature control. Living in Florida means dealing with hot summers and plenty of sunshine. Outdated windows often allow warm air to seep indoors and cool air to escape, forcing your air conditioner to work harder. New energy-efficient windows come with advanced glass coatings, insulating frames, and weather-tight seals. These features help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your home cooler during the summer and warmer in the cooler months. The result? Consistent comfort and lower energy bills. Reducing noise disturbances. The Villages is a vibrant community, with golf carts, social gatherings, and outdoor activities being part of daily life. While this liveliness is a major perk, it can sometimes create noise disturbances. Modern replacement windows are designed with multiple panes and sound dampening features that reduce outside noise. This means more peace and quiet indoors, so you can enjoy a restful night's sleep or a quiet afternoon without distractions. Minimizing drafts and humidity. Drafty windows don't just make a home uncomfortable, they also allow excess humidity to enter. In Florida, where humidity is a year-round challenge, this can make your living spaces sticky and less pleasant. High-quality replacement windows are designed to block drafts and help maintain balanced humidity indoors, giving you a more comfortable environment throughout the year. Boosting home safety. Stronger glass and frames. Older windows often have thin, single-pane glass that is easy to break. Today's replacement windows use stronger materials like laminated or tempered glass that are more resistant to impacts. Additionally, durable window frames provide added protection against break-ins or storm damage. This extra layer of security gives you peace of mind knowing your home is safer. Protection against severe weather. Florida is no stranger to heavy rains, strong winds, and occasional hurricanes. Impact-resistant replacement windows can withstand these harsh conditions far better than outdated models. By upgrading, you're not only improving safety for your family but also protecting your property from costly storm damage. Advanced locking mechanisms. Modern replacement windows come with built-in, advanced locking systems that are far more secure than older latches. These upgraded locks make it significantly harder for intruders to gain access, ensuring that your home in the Villages remains a safe haven for you and your loved ones. Additional benefits that matter. Improved home value. Comfort and safety upgrades through window replacement also add value to your property. Potential buyers appreciate energy efficiency, security features, and the fresh look that new windows bring. If you ever decide to sell, upgraded windows can make your home more attractive on the market. Easier maintenance. New windows are designed with convenience in mind. Many styles tilt inward for easy cleaning, and advanced materials resist warping, cracking, or fading. This means you can spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying life in the Villages. Aesthetic appeal. Beyond comfort and safety, replacement windows dramatically enhance curb appeal. With a wide range of styles and finishes available, you can match your home's unique personality while still enjoying the functional benefits of modern technology. Conclusion. Replacing your windows in the Villages is more than just a home improvement project. It's an investment in your comfort, safety, and peace of mind. By upgrading to modern, energy-efficient, and secure windows, you can enjoy a quieter, more comfortable home while protecting your family and property from potential risks. Whether you're seeking better temperature control, stronger storm protection, or improved aesthetics, window replacement is a smart step toward a safer and more enjoyable lifestyle in the Villages.